Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel. In this video I will share with you how to make the most easy and delicious catfish pepper soup. I hope you enjoy watching. My name is Oge and you're welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. I'm just coming back from the market and this is my catfish, popularly known as point and kill here in Nigeria. This fish is called point and kill because when you get to the seller selling catfish, you point out the particular fish you want. The sellers will proceed to kill the fish, cut it properly, wash it before handing it back to you. On getting home, I love to wash the fish multiple times. I'm not sure there is anybody that washes catfish as much as I do. I start by rinsing out the blood from the fish and then I proceed to wash it with vinegar. Sometimes I use salt and at other times I use lemon juice to wash the fish. I do this because I try to get rid of the fishy smell as much as possible. I don't like that, and I also do not like to see any form of sliminess on the fish. So I try to wash it multiple times to get rid of both the fishy odor and any form of sliminess. But in today's video, I'll be washing the fish with vinegar. So I'll add enough water to my fish, add vinegar, allow it to sit for like 3 minutes, and then I'll wash out the fish. Like I rinse out the vinegar and then I add hot water. Adding hot water is the final step for me whenever I'm washing catfish. This helps to firm the fish, which prevents it from breaking when it gets into the pot, and it also helps to remove sliminess. So if there is any sliminess that was left on the fish after washing with maybe salt, vinegar or lemon juice, the hot water will help get rid of that. So this is the final step of washing for me. After I add hot water, I let it sit for like 3 minutes or 2 minutes sometimes. And then I drain out the hot water, rinse it with cold water before adding it to my pot. Let me know in the comment section, how do you wash your catfish? How many times do you wash your catfish? Let us know down in the comments. If you're coming across this channel for the first time today, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Oge, a food content creator based in Abuja, Nigeria, and it's lovely to have you here. Kindly make yourself comfortable, click on the subscribe button to be a part of us, and also turn on the notification bell to be notified of new videos. You're going to love it here, and subscription is absolutely free. I'm prepping the ingredients that I need to prepare my catfish pepper soup. I've just finished chopping up my onions and slicing my scent leaf, which is my vegetable of choice for today's catfish pepper soup recipe. I'm adding my properly cleaned catfish into my pot. I'll go on to add my chopped onion, some of the chopped onion. I'll add my peppers. I'm using fresh pepper and this is smoothly blended. Feel free to blend yours roughly if that is what you prefer. I've just added seasoning cubes. I added a little salt. I'll add a little water to the pot. Give that a very quick stir, cover, and I'll let it to steam for about 5 minutes. If you're already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for always coming back to watch me. You guys are the real MVPs and you all hold a special place in my heart. Thank you so much. After about 5 minutes, I went back to check on the fish and this is what it's looking like. At this point, I'll go in with the remaining ingredients. I'll go in with my chopped onion. I also blended some of the onions. I added my Peppersoup spices, which is a blend of different local spices like ehuru, uziza, and the rest. I added my crayfish powder, more pepper because it has to be spicy. I also added enough water to this. The water you add should be according to the ingredients you're using to make the catfish pepper soup because you don't want the pepper soup to be too watery. So add water according to your preference. And I know some people love their pepper soup to be a bit thick, while some like it runny. Just do you add enough water according to your preference. So after adding water, I'll give this a gentle stir, cover the pot, and I'll let it cook. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much for staying with me. It shows you're enjoying the recipe and I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please do well to give the video a thumbs up if you haven't done that already. Thank you. After about 15 minutes, this is what our pot of pepper soup is looking like. It's coming on really well and it smells amazing inside my kitchen. I'll give this a gentle stir and I decided to taste off camera to check if the soup requires any ingredients. So after tasting, I decided to go in with a little bit of seasoning cubes. I also added more pepper because why not? It has to be spicy. I also added my scent leaf. Feel free to use uziza or utazi if that is what you prefer. So after adding the leaf, I'll give that a very gentle stir so as not to break up the fish, and then I'll let it simmer for like 2 minutes. Kindly follow me on other social media platforms. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And the handle to search for is Oge Anyoko on TikTok, Oge_Anyoko on Facebook, and on Instagram. I also have a second YouTube channel where I post vlogs. So please do well to subscribe to my vlog channel. Follow me on other social media platforms. I promise you're going to love it. So this is what my catfish pepper soup is looking like. What do you think, guys? What do you think is the best thing to pair with this catfish pepper soup? Let me know down in the comments. It's time to dish this yumminess into my plates. You can come with your plates if you want to have a taste of this delicious goodness. We've come to the end of this video and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like the video to get it to a wider reach. Share it out to your family and friends. Leave me your comments in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel if you're yet to do so. Thank you all for stopping by, and I would love to see you all in my next one. Bye.